Minister wa Kariabwandene na mibango ya thirikari nene nwe Professor Kindiki na ataririte ara thirikari ikinyirite na uchunkuni bwa makarikaja Shakahola ni ara gitarire ugita mwankira nande miri magana jairi na mirongo ina na jumwe ni umbeta kumburwa kuma MWITUNI ja Shakahola ntere iuchiambwa nkurukikire baba bange mirongo kenda ni barekite kuonokwa na 19 gukinyithwa kirinja chiao ende bwakumakania ni ati mwankira nande kuri na ANTU magana jatandatu barabate kumenyekana na aria bari mwankira nande. Anthony Kathenya Kîriga.
Mr. Chairman and members, Mr. Mackenzie was charged in court.
Waziri wa Wikalia Profesa Kindiki akinyile mbele ya kamiti ya mwanya ya bunge ya gusunkuna mekali kantereji ya Shakahola kaunti ya Kilifi. Kindiki akijukagia kanya gaka kwelide kile kidhirito gikali kantere ino kwa muunjia Paul Mackenzie.
Some of the victims would be radicalized and indoctrinated and would voluntarily agree not to eat or drink until they die so that they could go and meet their creator.
Kindiki akirithagia timpakatha ino antu magana maili ma mirongo ina na imwe ni batete mioyo kumana na milila yumburitwe mbililani kithakani giki. Aitha ki antu baba mtu mwalilekana gukua nyuma ya kuonokua indi alega kuria irio na omba guta mioyo. Kulingana na postmortem ilethithiritwe mili ino antu baingi nibonekanite batete mioyo kuma na mpara ya kagita kanene. Kindiki akirithia ati thirikari niombete kuonokia antu 90 kuma kithakani giki na ki antu baba 90 antu 19 ni barekite gucokanirua na njaji yao. Kindiki akirithia ati antu 619 ni bandikithitwe kwithirwa baurite. Aitha thirikari tina oma ati antu baba bamba kwithirwa baurite muthituni ujo wa Shakahola. Kindiki akiongagila kuga ati thirikari nilikite kuona NAMBERE 10 ile bado tentongithie.
And in the event somebody would change their mind, they would be killed using blunt objects. For the post-mortem examination of the bodies we have recovered so far have revealed that many of the victims died of starvation. It has turned out that this is a well-organized crime of great proportion, well-planned, well-organized, well-executed.
Kulingana na waziri Kindiki, thirikari titiga muri na umwe muthituni ujo na usonkonile bukathi na mbele kuthithwa mathaa 24.
Team there from the homicide department, the forensics department of the DCI, the government chemists are doing a fantastic job. And so far, I am convinced that we will be able to remove all our people who are in that land, those that are dead and those that are alive. The government would like to assure the people of Kenya that in establishing the truth of what happened in Shakahola, we will not hide anything. We will tell the people of Kenya exactly what happened.
Maseneta baba kamiti na mwanya nibendile kumenya bali tengo ja thirikari chitaomba kumenya mekali kamama na onakethira Mackenzie alimukinyidia ukotini ukabere gotebu thirikari yajukie tagaria. Kulingana na waziri Kindiki mabisa bonde ba thirikari balaba kagwetanua na kwithira bataruta NGUGI yao bakajo kilomatagale make watho bula kubaterie.
We should have done things better and differently. Includes the NIS. That there will be accountability in all institutions and at all levels, not just dealing with junior officers. That commitment includes the NIS accountability. We would like our brothers and sisters in the judiciary also to look inwards, so that as every one of us answers the question, where were you?
Kindiki okagita gaka nerithiti ati thirikari ikajukire matagare make watho ikinae bonde baria betwite aunjia na kuthi na mbere gutumira antu bothuku makanithani.
We will not interfere with religion. We will not interfere with the freedom of worship, but we will smoke out all criminals from houses of worship ruthlessly, decisively, and permanently. All conmen, thieves, molesters, fraudsters, this is the end.
Kuma muji munene wa Nairobi, Mbita Antony, Rangi wa Kathenya.